Understanding the phrase, conference chair. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, conference chair. This might seem straightforward, but it's a great example of how combining simple words can create a specific meaning in English. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this phrase. First, let's look at the individual words. A conference is a large formal meeting where people discuss important topics, usually over several days. The word chair has two meanings. It can be a piece of furniture you sit on, or it can refer to the person leading a meeting or committee. In our phrase, conference chair, it's the latter. As a conference chair, a person has several responsibilities. They are in charge of planning the conference, setting the agenda, leading discussions, and ensuring that everything runs smoothly. It's a position of leadership and organization. This role is crucial for the success of any conference. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are a couple of examples. 1. Dr. Smith was the conference chair at the annual medical symposium. 2. The conference chair decided to schedule the keynote speech for the first day. These examples show how the phrase is commonly used in professional and academic contexts. Interestingly, conference chair can be modified. For example, someone might be a co-chair, sharing responsibilities with another person. Or, you might hear about a session chair, who leads a specific section of a conference. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of the phrase, conference chair. It's a great example of how English combines simple words to create a specific meaning. Remember, language learning is all about exploring and understanding these nuances. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.